Hey, what's up guys? Welcome again, Martin Unix here, and today I will be giving another creative hat. Guys, today we will be doing flat barrel lines combined with fishtail braid on medium length dreadlocks. Guys, welcome to my channel. So welcome guys, this is the size of my lock strands, and now we are going to begin. Guys, we are going to do some flat barrel lines at the crown area all the way to this area behind the ear. Then guys, we will do our fishtail braid from this far corner, which will come all the way to the back, taking a nice curve just to hand beauty on our styling. And to begin with, guys, we are going to do the flat barrel lines, and this is the way to go. Pick your lines that way, hand a knot where necessary, and use one of the strands just to secure and prevent the strands from unraveling. That way guys, it's quite simple. I understand we have given many tutorials on how to do barrel lines on my channel. So guys, on this I will not be so much detailed. So today we are doing more of creativity. Since we have been learning a lot on the channel, we need to chip in creativity guys at times and bring styles which look amazing. So just work with me guys. That's how you secure the flat barrel lines using one of the strands. That way, that's how you do your barrel lines which are flat. That way, ensure you secure your lines using one of the strands, then you turn the knot downwards. That way, let's quickly go through this. So I want to thank you guys for choosing to support my channel. Thank you for joining membership. For those who have joined membership, for those who haven't joined membership, guys, you can do so if possible. Keep on subscribing guys, comment on my work, like and share to your friends. That way, all the way back, keep on sharing. So whenever you are doing the flat barrel lines guys, you need to keep distancing the lines from each other by securing the lines a little bit lower from the next line. That is guys, I secured my first line at this point, and you can have a look guys on how the line is flowing downwards. Just keep on going down a little bit on each and every level. Secure your barrel lines using one of the strands. It's just a quick style guys, but it's gonna be complicated to our beginners when it comes to the part of chipping in the fishtail braid. So it's just an high opener guys to our pro stylists. Just do your flat barrel lines that way. Remember guys, when the locks are a little bit short, at times you'll find yourself incorporating styles just to push your logs ahead and come up with amazing look by combining 2 or 3 styles. So remember guys, you need to share my work to your friends. That's how you can support the channel. You can as well guys join membership if you are able. So I've done my flat barrel lines guys up to this part. You can have a look. So now guys, we are going to do the fishtail braid, and just to beautify that guys and ensure that we come with an amazing style guys, we need to keep the fishtail braid widening. That way guys, the fishtail will be taking a curve just to hand flavor on the styling. So let's quickly begin our fishtail braiding guys, and by doing so guys, we just pick the strands, realign them. Our fishtail will be taking place on this level. So the first strand goes under that way. You can tilt it a little bit so that it can come over. Then pick another strand from this side that way, let it come over, that way. Pick another strand from this side. Now let's draw a finger eight at that level, just to ensure that our fishtail is well consistent, that way. Wow. Now we have just begun. But guys, if you're not keen, you might face challenges at the beginning. So today guys, I'll just be sharing some creative ideas, that way. At times we'll be incorporating strands, guys, which are not in place. Just incorporate them to the fishtail formation. Where need be. So I'm gonna incorporate this strand here, that way. Then pick another strand from this level. Let it come. Pick another strand, that way. Our fishtail is taking shape. That way. Seeing is better than hearing, guys. So you can just follow what I'm doing. Now whenever you reach the sections, guys, just pull the braids downwards to come underneath the fishtail formation, that way. Then pick the braids from underneath, that way. Pick some from this side and attach them to the fishtail braid accordingly, guys, while observing the volume of the fishtail as you go on and on, that way. You see. Pick the next one, tie it down, pick some of the braids, that way, attach them, attach the braids as you work on and on. So if you find strands on your way which needs to be incorporated to the fishtail braid formation, don't hesitate to do so, guys. Just pick such strands and incorporate them to the fishtail braid. So guys, just to keep that consistency in the fishtail formation, make sure that whenever you pick your strands, let them draw that finger eight, just to affirm the fishtail braid and to prevent the fishtail braid from looking like inverted. So since we are trying, guys, we are trying to do invisible fishtail braid, so we need to avoid chances of making our fishtail braid appear like inverted fishtail braid. Further on that, you remember that at the beginning we had done the flat barrels, and those flat barrels, guys, so remember, guys, you need to share my work to your friends. That's how you can support the channel. You can as well, guys, join membership if you are able, so that your fishtail comes and forms over the area where the securing point was, just to maintain beauty and disguise the securing section. Now at this point, guys, we want to ensure that our fishtail takes a curve at this point. So to ensure that the curve happens with some easiness, guys, we need to break the rules of the finger eight pattern and wrap our strands on the right side twice before reaching the left side. That way, guys, now we will be making it easy for the fishtail to maneuver and take a corner with easiness. Remember to attach some braids on your fishtail from underneath. Remember, I've just highlighted that by the touch, as you do your fishtail, you'll be able to tell whenever your fishtail is getting lesser volume and whenever the volume of the fishtail gets large. That way, guys, you'll be able to tell when to do some additional braids by incorporating such braids from underneath. Remember, those braids are just lying under the fishtail braid. You just pick them and hand them slowly, bit by bit. So after reaching this point, guys, you realize that you have approached the most difficult part, and just to manage it, guys, and ensure that you maneuver your corner with easiness, guys, remember we said that whenever you pick braids, make sure on the right side you braid them twice, like on my case. Then ensure that you as well incorporate some strands from underneath to the fishtail braiding formation. That way. So remember that, guys, we have done many tutorials on fishtail braid on my channel. For beginners, this style might be a little bit tricky to manage, but you need to go back on my channel and practice more styles which can enable you to reach this level. So just pick your stones and realign them. This is our finishing area. So we just need to incorporate the remaining strands carefully, not to interfere with the beauty of the fishtail braid. Remember that, guys, giving a touch of style is a far-fetched talent which cultivates in you over a period of time after practicing as many styles as possible, as well as putting into consideration all factors that govern hair styling. That way, guys, now we are approaching our finishing area, and I will be taking a circular move just to ensure that we beautify our fishtail. That way. Make sure that all the stones are picked and incorporated to the fishtail braid. That way. Upon reaching this part, guys, you realize that the fishtail it's getting to the end, and you need to do infinite braid at this level just to manage the remaining few strands. So remember, guys, you need to share my work to your friends. That's how you can support the channel. You can as well, guys, join membership if you are able. If you want some styling classes, through one-on-one video calls, guys. You can join membership. I have a package for such, so, and we can keep more engaged and give you more informative tutorials that can build your styling journey. Just use your yarn to secure the tip. You can as well, guys, use rubber bands to prevent our braid from unraveling over time. So just secure the hunting area to the fishtail. I'm doing the brows, and by doing so, guys, I started by reducing the volume of the brows. That is by cutting off the lengthy hair strands. Now this is a unique fishtail braid which you can do on your medium length dreadlocks. Now at the back, guys, our look now turns out to be charming, hence neutralizing the official look, which is at the front area. So this is a style, guys, that can fit in informal sectors as well as formal sectors. So it's a style, guys, that you can go out with. It's a style that you can go out for a picnic with. It's a style, guys, that can be worn by those who like flaunting fashions. And it's wow, guys. You can have a look. It's amazing. It's truly amazing. It's a true hat, guys, which captivates over time after doing some practice on hairstyling. It's lovely. At the front, it's amazing, very official. Then at the back, it's a killer. Thank you, guys, for finding time to learn with me, and I hope my style has been truly educative. And if you feel that my styles are kinda informative, guys, you can support by sharing my work to your friends. Guys, remember to comment on my videos, like, and keep on subscribing, guys. You can as well, guys, join membership and support my channel. Thank you.